Hi guys, I am Marco Motta from Marco Motta TV. So today I wanted to show you how I made this 3D printed Batman head sculpt with a stand that has the A's that light up and I can control with a little button. So let's jump directly into it. So first of all we will have to download files from Thingiverse. The base was created with Tinkercad while the helmet was created by another creator. The links will be in the video description. For the light, I used a little one that you can buy from very cheap in almost all stores. I dismantled it and used glass to make the front A's, which I sanded to make them fuzzy. I hot glued all these together and added a brass tube that will serve as a stand. In this close-up you can see how I glued all together. Then I use the electronics from the LED light to connect the light to the button and the battery. In this video you can see how I inserted cables in the brass pipe. Afterwards, I inserted the pipe into the base and hooked the electronics in the base, which is actually hollow. Alright, I hope you liked the video and see you another time.